Page 84, Jacob's Ladder. Now we get a piece in the key of D flat major. Okay. Right hand is melody, left hand is primary chord accompaniment. Play the right hand louder than the left. It's in cut time. And without that, it's got phrasing. So you're going to lift up between each phrase. There's a little trickiness going on here I'd like to point out. Right hand, you're starting out in a D flat position, it's not a problem. The second line you go up and put your thumb, that's between phrases, so you're going to lift up and move, so put your thumb on the E flat, you're in this position for the second line. And the third line you got to lift up again because it's between phrases, but you got little finger's got to come up here. Here, and then for the last line you're moving again, but it's between phrases, you lift up and you come down here. Like so. And the left hand, they're not all primary chords, close to them. In the first line it's a 1 chord. The second line, the first 4 measures, 5/7 chord, which is an A flat 7. You see the A flat 7 above it? This is for a guitar player. If they want to play along, they would read that and they would strum to an A flat 7 chord or something. Then back to a 1 chord, and then the third line, look at this, a 1 chord. Then you have an augmented 1 chord. That's that D flat aug. It's a D flat chord that's out. They just raise the top note a half a step. You just go here. And then a 4 chord, and then a 1 chord. It's kind of nice. Gives a little color to it. If you want to sing it, go right ahead. I have no desire to sing it. There are multiple verses to this song. If you want to sing it, you just pretend there's a repeat sign at the end. The other verses are down at the bottom. There's 5 verses total, so you would play it if you want them all. You got to play them 5 times, each time singing a different verse. I'm just going to play it once, because that's all I'm not really playing it. I'm just covering the notes and the rhythms so you can double check and make sure you've got the right notes and rhythms is all. And that's about all I have to say. Let's try this out in a slow cut time. So it's 1 and 2 and etc. So go ahead and put your hands in D flat position. Here. No pedal. I'm going to give us 4 counts. That's 4 half notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go and.